Hello friends, welcome back to the Bong Wanderers. In this video, we bring to you our drive from Namma Bengaluru to the southernmost metro of India. Yes, Vanakkam Chennai. We drive through the picturesque Krishnagiri and Vellore, beating some serious heat waves before we reach our favorite Taj Fisherman's Cove. तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ to experience even the most beaten route, the Bong Wanderer style.
And welcome to the Bong Wanderers channel. If you have been following us, you know that we have reached Bangalore on Sunday and have been staying at Grand Mercure, and today we will be leaving for a new destination, which is Chennai. So right now it's around 8 in the morning and the Bongs are having their early morning breakfast. After that we will go and hit the road. Well, there you go. We are officially leaving Bangalore now through the Hosur exit. And since we were staying at Grand Mercure, this was much closer for us.
We are at the border, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu border. So we are officially inside Tamil Nadu now.
मेरा नाम भी ले जा, मेरा काम भी ले जा, मेरा राम भी ले जा, मेरा शाम भी ले जा, मेरा नाम भी ले जा, मेरा काम भी ले जा, मेरा राम भी ले जा, मेरा शाम भी ले जा, कल रात.
Whole food hub over here. So we are stopping by for a quick cup of tea and washroom break for the little one. 1 hour on the road and already we are taking one break. You actually have a lot of options over here. What is this place, Papa? I mean the name of this area or whatever.
We'll have to figure out.
Yeah, we'll get to see that on the screen.
Basically the area is Shulagiri.
Shulagiri, okay. But you have a lot of options over here on both the sides of the road for food. If you miss your breakfast, don't worry. It's just an hour drive from Bangalore and you will be spoiled with choices. You will even get to see a KFC. We just left it behind, KFC and a couple of restaurants. We were just 1 hour on the road and then we took 38 minutes of break. Wow. So we are leaving this place and we are leaving this place with an awesome view coming up right on your screen.
घर एक चोर आके बोला दे दे मुझे जो भी तेरा है, मैंने बोला.
We are passing by a village called Shulagiri, and there are a lot of spaces for food breaks. You can see one over here called Cube Stop. You saw the place where we took a stop, and then here you have the famous Anand Bhavan. You have ample choices at this place. So if you have left Bangalore and you are driving towards Chennai, didn't have your breakfast or lunch, you have ample choices after an hour drive from Bangalore to stop for your break. Shulagiri is a village in Tamil Nadu, in the district, in the Krishnagiri district, and it has got its name from the word Shula, which is basically Shiv's Trishul or trident as it's called. It seems it's surrounded by hills, but mainly there are 3 peaks of hills, it seems, which looks like a trident, though of course we are not able to see that from here, but that's how it has got its name. It's famous for a temple known as Vardaraja Perumal temple, which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and there is also a very famous church over here. These are the 2 notable places. But what we are fascinated right now is the landscape that surrounds this village. You can see beautiful hills at the backdrop and the road cutting across the hills. Enjoy the view.
धीरे चलना, सुन ली तेरे दिल की धड़कन, रात के तारे भी देखो, कहते हैं तू मेरा हमदम. I was standing in a corner of a dingy marketplace. Well, I see this beautiful woman. Well, she's walking by with grace. So I walk up down beside her. Well, I'm trying to catch her eye. She never even looks at me. Why should she even try? Why doesn't she talk to me? Why doesn't she walk with me?
We missed a U-turn, or we missed a left turn to Chennai. However, that's why we had to take a detour, and now we are driving through the village, and these are the fun of road trip, right? Sight of a village, and the herd of shepherds. En route Chennai, and we can't just get over this place called Krishnagiri. What a beautiful place, what a beautiful place. Stunning, magical, earthy. I mean, we are completely floored. Can't stop taking pictures, videos, and I know that it's taking a lot of time, and we are probably losing time on the road. It would take us longer time to reach Chennai, but that's okay. We are not covering a lot of distance today, so we have time to breathe and pause and enjoy the nature around. I'm going to pan my camera and show you the view that I am right now enjoying, and I want all of you to enjoy that view with us. Ready?
धीरे चलना, सुन ली तेरे दिल की धड़कन, रात के तारे भी देखो, कहते हैं तू मेरा हमदम.
सुंदर है ये जगह, बहुत सुंदर है. अगर आप लोग बैंगलोर से चेन्नई जा रहे हो तो ये जगह पे ज़रूर रुकना और 2 मिनट रुक के इस व्यू का मज़ा ज़रूर लेना, क्योंकि इसी वजह से रोड ट्रिप करनी चाहिए. ये व्यूज़ आपको फ्लाइट में नहीं मिलेगा. I have heard from several people when they say I'm driving from this place to this place, and there is nothing much to show you over here, just the regular roads and villages on either side. So once I reach, I'll give you the details. How is it possible? Every road in India cuts across villages, rivers, mountains, hills, jungles. And in case you're watching this video and you're not in India, you are outside India, because we do know we have some friends who do watch our videos and who are not staying in India, who are not Indians. I'm telling them also, if you ever come to India and if you are traveling by road, or Indians, us, right, if you guys are taking a road trip and traveling by road, please keep your eyes, mind, heart open. I am sure nature will not disappoint you. Trust me, the country is beautiful. The countryside will amaze you at every nook and corner. Just keep your eyes open, pause, absorb and reflect, because then when you reach your destination, the happiness, the peace that you will find is just out of the world. Trust me, try it.
So we are at the intersection of NH44 and NH4. We actually missed this intersection because of traffic, and we were looking at the beautiful surroundings. Now we pretty much drove for 10 kilometers. We came back, we took a U-turn, came back, and now we are at the intersection. So we are now on NH4, which will take us to Chennai. So from Krishnagiri, you have to take NH4. We are on it now towards Chennai.
It is 1:50 now. We pulled over at a place near Ambur. There is a Muniswara temple which is around here, seems to be pretty famous. Anyway, so we stopped nearby that place to have lunch, because we are carrying lunch from Grand Mercure, where we stayed at Bangalore. This helps in two things. One is it saves time to hunt for a restaurant, and second is, even if you find there are a lot of options to have your food on this highway from Bangalore to Chennai, but it at least saves your time from sitting, ordering the food and getting it, and you also are very sure that the food that you're eating is healthy. So we always, those who follow us know that we eat very light when we are on the move. So we had roti, aloo jeera and idli. Not getting into other godi details, but lunch done in 12 minutes. That's a record for Bong Wanderers, because our lunch breaks are usually very splurging and ranging between 30 minutes to an hour. We did well because we have to stop 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Where is the cafe coffee day?
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later for a chai break. मजबूरी है बॉन्ग्स का, कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका, तो इसीलिए we have cut short the lunch break. Let's go.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे।
We are driving through the busy streets of Ambur, and as you will pass by this place, you will see a lot of eateries specializing on biryani. Samrat just told me that
Star Biryani is there. I think it's the best chain in Ambur, okay, for biryani.
Okay,
That's the Star Biryani.
that's the one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, like Paradise in Hyderabad. Okay, so Star Biryani is their famous chain of biryani outlets. So if you are a biryani lover, you can stop by and have biryani, though not recommended by us if you are on the move, but to each his own. You can pack it, have it later.
पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शाम आना, आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू।
तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदियों में है चल कहीं, उड़ जल कहीं.
Alright, we are going to enjoy a cup of tea, coffee at this cafe coffee day with a beautiful backdrop. There is no chawa. Chawa is a Bengali of chao, shade. There you go. And I'm going to take a washroom break also at this cafe coffee day. Can you see the temperature? It's 50. It was 52 few minutes back. It's 2:45. Bong Wanderers के चाय पे चर्चा हो गया कैफे कॉफी डे पे. And now we are back to the road towards Chennai. And if you are wondering कि कौन पागल 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में चाय पीते हैं, तो बॉन्ग्स के लिए, बॉन्ग्स चाय के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. गर्मी में भी चाय पीते हैं.
But it is not 50 degrees centigrade outside. It's just that the gauge of the vehicle, which is measuring the temperature, is measuring it as 50 because the gauge is black in color and it heats up quickly. So it's not because it is actually 50. It is lesser than that. It might be 40, but it was measuring 50. So if you see now, it's become 46.
But even people might not expect us to have tea in 40 degrees
Tea
centigrade
is
also.
a different topic altogether.
Yeah. And also the fact is that we are having tea inside more too. So obviously the temperature inside is much different, which is why we are able to relish chai. बाहर बैठ के तो चाय नहीं पी सकते, वो तो I mean that's a point. Braving the heat wave en route Chennai through the beautiful landscape.
मेरी तो मंजिल है वही.
क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू.
It's 3 p.m. now. We have 159 kilometers to cover to reach Chennai. ETA is 5:30. We have been on the road for 6 hours now, and we have covered 186 kilometers with almost 3 breaks. Total of 1.5 hours on breaks is what we have spent. We do not wish to take any more breaks. Let's see. We have to still probably pull over at some places for the little one. 5:30 is the ETA. Let's see if we can make it. We are at Pallikonda Toll Plaza and there is a long queue. Long line of cars, trucks, not sure why. The road was pretty fine until now. Didn't have much traffic. Something must have gone wrong somewhere. You can see a long line of cars and trucks on each of these lanes. It's quite a big toll plaza. पापा हमारा फास्टैग का क्या होगा? अगर फास्टैग का इशू है तो हमारा तो फास्टैग कभी चलता ही नहीं है.
It works fine now. अभी तो चलता है नया फास्टैग होने के बाद. I didn't see some problem must be with the toll gate.
But all the gates, I mean,
That's what happens.
we
No?
see the line.
If there is a problem, it will be there for everyone.
अच्छा चले चलो चला. जय गणेशाय नमः. It's 3:20. We have reached Vellore. We are actually driving through the streets of Vellore. Vellore is known for Vellore Fort, but I think now it's extremely popular because of its affordable healthcare. A lot of people come to Vellore for affordable treatment. Vellore has happened?
On whom?
Car was going ulta side on a highway.
Oh,
पूरा
I thought you want to beat me only.
ন্যাংটা করে একদম পুরো
ছি,
পেয়ে
ছি, 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 ছি।
বিচুড়ি পাতা দিয়ে মারা উচিত 10 দিন ধরে
Sure, Baba. Sure. I forgot to see the name of the toll plaza. Some Chinna Swami, Chinna Munaswami, something was there. It's 4:15 and Chennai is 75 kilometers away from us. How far is our place of stay?
It would be a little less than that actually. Maybe 70 odd kilometers. Because we'll not go till Chennai, no? From Sriperumbudur we'll take a right.
Yeah, we are actually going to Mahabalipuram. So that's why, it's a little less. Hopefully, we will be reaching in another hour and a half. Let's see.
মনের রিক্সা চলে দমকা প্রেমের গল্প বলে শুকনো পাতার সন্ধে বেলার গান কোন হরিণের দুষ্ট ছায়ায় খেলনা দোকান ডাকছে রে আয় ভুল করেছি আর যাব না মিথ্যে মায়ায় চমকাবো না
ভাল লাগে অন্ধকার হাত ডোবাই এক নতুন গন্ধ তার পাচ্ছি তাই আমি বাউন্ডুলে ঘুরি যে আমাকে বাসবে ভালো তার আকাশেই উড়ি
8 minutes to our place of stay, and you can see the sun is setting on the horizon. We wanted to witness this from the beach, but we got late thanks to the road condition and the traffic. Nevertheless, I mean, this moment is also special. We are staying at Fisherman's Cove, the same place where we stayed during our southern sojourn when we visited Mahabalipuram. And this is the third time we will be visiting this property. Hope we will have a beautiful experience that we had last time.
স্টিল সে গুড়ি মাথায় করে রাখলে আমায় খেলবো লুকোচুরি খেলবো লুকোচুরি
Our destination, Taj Fisherman's Cove at Mahams. It's 6:43. We are at Mahabalipuram, chilling at their all-day dining place. We are sitting outside because we have Angel with us now. If you have seen our vlogs in Southern Sojourn series, you are familiar with this place. This is the restaurant of Fisherman's Cove where we are staying. And last time when we came here, we gave them some recommendations on how they should change certain things about their approach towards guests with dogs. Let me show you something. So I'm not sure if you can see this. So this is the entrance for guests with pets, and this time I see a board which specifically welcomes the furry guests. So that's really heartwarming and glad to see that they really heard us and did something about it. Now let's see what are the other changes they do to make the parents of furry guests feel comfortable. And this is their furry guest sitting here. She obviously can recognize the smile and the smell. Let's see. Second time for Angel in this property, so we are testing her power of smell and we are letting her lead the way, and she's actually leading us to the way where our earlier cottage was. I mean, at least till now she's on the right track. There were diversions here and there, but she's actually taking the track. Oh, she actually stopped here.
Excuse me, Mr. Doggy.
So she almost made it. This was our cottage last time. This time it's a different one. So let's figure it out. If you want to check for the property review, we are not doing it this time. We just did it a couple of months back. So do visit our channel for a detailed property review of Taj Fisherman Cove.
At the end of the day,
It's 12:13 now. Our
Yes.
son is sleeping,
we are terribly tired.
exhausted,
We covered.
and look at our faces.
We
We
covered.
are almost going to bed and then realized we didn't close the day or close the vlog in a
We covered
proper way.
375 kilometers in 8 hours that people does in 6.5 hours. Okay, रुकते रुकाते आए,
What will happen when we will go to
चाय पीते हुए आए.
Vizag from Chennai? God help
But
us.
finally we reached at 6:30. Then we went to the beach.
We are speaking in harsh tone because
We
our son is a
walked
light
around.
sleeper and he's sleeping.
We walked around the property. We went to have dinner. Had dinner. Came back home.
I
And
think
now
you
I'm
need to be a
going to
little
sleep.
more louder. They can barely hear you.
So with that, see you on the next vlog. Need to sleep. Take care. Good night.
But wait. So hope you felt. The information. Sorry, I'm blabbering. Hope you found the information useful. And you can plan your journey accordingly from Bangalore to Mahabalipuram. The start time and the stop time. You saw the pit stops that we took, and the places where we took washroom breaks. So hope this information helped you. Hope you enjoyed the landscape with us that we shared with you.
And the drone shots.
Yeah. So until next time, stay safe. Keep traveling by road. Take your pets as much as possible. Enjoy road trips. Take care. Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye bye.